My dear brothers and sisters, in the first reading we heard about the aftermath of the sin of the first couple. The first thing we see there is the blame game. Adam blames his wife Eve, and Eve blames the serpent. And this blaming game goes on even till today, from the time we are on this earth till we leave this earth. We see this happening in schools when a child is pulled up. He said, no, not me, father. He tempted me. I saw him doing it and he did. And this goes on at every moment of our life, be in the school, colleges, be in the families, be in the establishment, everywhere. The moment we take on ourselves the responsibility, then we can move ahead. But when we pass on to others our fault, then we can never move ahead. We ask God to give us the grace to accept our responsibilities, our faults, so that we can move ahead in life. Gospel passage, we see a miracle. It is again happening in the Gentile land. And this miracle is given by all the four evangelists, Matthew, Luke, and John. All of them talk about it. What do we see in this miracle? Compassion of Jesus. The word compassion means compassio, which means to feel with somebody, or to put your feet in other person's shoes and start walking. See, Jesus having compassion on the crowd because they had nothing to eat. This mission in the world was twofold, not just give them spiritual food, also material food. And here you see Jesus give them material food. God has given us a lot, both spiritual and material wealth. When we see people suffering, do we feel compassion for them? Do we feel pity for them? Pity is different from compassion. And when we feel compassion, do we move ahead the next step? It's not enough to feel compassion. Do our hearts go out to do something for them? During the time of the COVID, we know a lot of experiences where we felt compassionate to those who are suffering, those without food, and we went out of our way to give them the basic necessities of life. May God give us the grace to be compassionate, to feel with others, and to do what we can do to others so that we can make other person's life a bit happier.